Arman Vardani Sargsyan is an Armenian politician, physicist and computer scientist who has served as the President of Armenia since 2018. He served as Prime Minister of Armenia from the 4th of November 1996 to the 20th of March 1997 and was the country's ambassador to the United Kingdom from 1998 to 2018. Sargsyan was elected on the 2nd of March 2018 and assumed the presidency on the 9th of April 2018. Sargsyan graduated from the Yerevan State University Department of Theoretical Physics and Mathematics. He was a member of the National Academy of Sciences of Armenia and the National Competitiveness Council of Armenia. From 1976 to 1984, he was assistant then associate professor of physics at Yerevan State University. In 1982, he became a visiting research fellow and eventually a professor at the University of Cambridge. In 1988 he established and subsequently became the head of the Department of Computer Modeling of Complex Physical Phenomena at the same university's Department of Theoretical Physics. Sargsyan was one of the co-creators of the 1991 Tetris spin-off game Word Tris. In October 1991, Sargsyan established the Armenian Embassy in London, the first Armenian diplomatic mission in the West in addition to his diplomatic mission in the United Kingdom. He went on to become Senior Ambassador of Armenia to the European Union, to Belgium and the Netherlands, Luxembourg and the Vatican. In 1995-1996, he was the head of mission of Armenia to the European Union. Sargsyan was appointed Prime Minister of Armenia by President Levon Ter-Petrosyan in November 1996, serving for 4 months until resigning on the 20th of March 1997, being succeeded by Robert Kocharyan. The official reason for his resignation states that he resigned due to the need to get treatment for a serious illness. However, there is some speculation that a dispute with Defense Minister Vazgen Sargsyan was the real reason for Sargsyan's resignation. After serving as Armenian Prime Minister between 1996 and 1997, he was appointed as Special Advisor to the President of the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development and as a Governor of EBRD from 1998 to 2000. Arman Sargsyan was also one of the directors of Eurasia House and Vice-Chairman of the East-West Institute. He held many honorary and executive positions in a number of international organizations including member of Dean's Advisory Board at Kennedy School of Governance at Harvard University, Dean's Advisory Board at Harris School of Public Policy Studies at University of Chicago, board member of International Research and Exchanges Board, the International Economic Alliance and Global Leadership Foundation. He was an honorary senior research fellow at the School of Mathematical Sciences at Queen Mary and Westfield College. He was a member of the Global Leadership Foundation, an organization which works to support democratic leadership, prevent and resolve conflict through mediation and promote good governance in the form of democratic institutions, open markets, human rights and the rule of law. Since 2013 he has served on the Board of Trustees of the International School in Dilijan, Armenia. In January 2018, he received Armenian President Sert Sargsyan's offer to be the ruling Republican Party's nominee in the country's first presidential election since the 2015 constitutional reforms. President Sert Sargsyan on the 19th of January 2018 recommended the candidacy of Sargsyan for president to be supported by the ruling Republican Party during the 2018 Armenian presidential election. He also enjoyed additional support from the Armenian Revolutionary Federation bloc as well as from the Zarukian parliamentary bloc. He was elected president by a majority of the National Assembly on the 2nd of March 2018 with 90 votes in a 105-member House. Sargsyan was the only candidate in the election. Sargsyan was inaugurated on the 9th of April 2018. The inauguration ceremony took place at the Karan Demirchian complex in Yerevan. After the ceremony, he visited the Ereblur military pantheon and laid a wreath at the monument with Defense Minister Vazgen Sargsyan. On inauguration day, the government led by Karen Karapetyan resigned and parties in the National Assembly had a week to put forward their proposals for Prime Minister. Former President Sargsyan was unanimously nominated by the members of ruling parties in the National Assembly on 16 April, and was confirmed as Prime Minister on 17 April. However, Sargsyan's election as Prime Minister was met by large-scale protests, and he resigned 6 days after taking the office. Karapetyan was subsequently appointed to serve as acting Prime Minister. On 8 May 2018, Nikol Pashinyan was elected Prime Minister by the National Assembly in a 59-42 vote. Sargsyan visited Tbilisi on 26 May 2018 in his first official foreign visit to participate in the centennial celebrations of the founding of the Democratic Republic of Georgia. During his visit, he held talks with his Georgian counterpart Georgi Margvelashvili as well as held